Very cheerful morning, dear kids. How are you all? Hope you are all fit and fine. Yes, today is Wednesday and we are going to learn mathematics subject. In mathematics subject, we are going to learn today ascending order. Okay, ascending order. Now tell me, what is the meaning of ascending order? I will tell you. Okay, ascending order means small number to big number. At the very first, which number is this? 1. Yes? Ascending order means small number to big number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, dear kids? It means arranging the number smaller to greatest. Yes? Smaller to greatest. Smaller number to greatest number. That is ascending order. Arranging the number smaller to bigger. That is called ascending order. Yes, dear kids? Now tell me which order is this? This is descending order. Descending order. What is the meaning of descending order? That we will see now. That is from greatest to smaller number. Yes, greatest number to smallest number. That is descending order. Yes, dear kids? Oh yes, dear kids, look at here. Miss had arranged these numbers in descending order. That is greatest to smaller number. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. I hope you had understood the descending order also. That is 10 to 1. Greatest number to smallest number. Okay, dear kids? Yes, I hope you had understood what is ascending and descending order. Yes, now I will show you one small activity. Yes? Ascending order means small number to big number. Small number to big number. I think you can see the series 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Yes, dear kids? Yes, this all are about ascending number. Yes? 1 to 10. It means small number to big number. Yes, dear kids? Ascending order, small number to big number. Small number to big number. Yes? I think you had understood small number to big number, that is ascending order. Yes, dear kids, now we will see the descending order, that is big number to small number. 10, 9, 8, then 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, then 1. Yes, dear kids? I think you had understood big number to small number, that is descending order. I hope you all enjoyed the activity well. Now we will do ascending order. Ascending order means smallest number to biggest number. Smallest number to biggest number. Now tell me, which is the smallest number among these numbers? Yes, you are right. That is 1, 1, 11. Then, come on, tell me. Yes, 1, 4, 14. Yes. smaller number to bigger number. Then which number will come? 1, 8, 18. Yes, dear kids. Then 2, 0, 20. This is the ascending order. Yes, smallest number to biggest number. Yes, dear kids. Yes, Miss had arranged all the numbers smallest to biggest, that is ascending order. I think you had understood ascending order. Now we will move to the descending order. Yes, dear kids. Yes, now see the descending order. Among these numbers, which number will come here, beta? At the very first, greatest number, greatest to smallest number. Yes, we will go from greatest number to smallest number. Among these number, which is the greatest one? That is 1, 5, 15. Yes, then 1, 4, 14. Then 1, 0, 10. And last one is 8. Okay. This is called descending order. Greatest number to smallest number. I think you had understood. Now we will do it in your textbook. Okay, dear kids. Now take out page number 3434. That we will do it now. Yes. Yes, dear kids, now take out 3434 page number. Yes, that is ascending order. Okay, ascending order. I think you had understood what is ascending order. We have to arrange a number in increasing order. Yes, dear kids. Now tell me which number is how many 4 numbers are given here. Among these we have to select smallest to biggest. We have to arrange smallest to bigger number. Yes, dear kids. So at the very first, which number you were going to write here? Look at this arrow. Yes, it is going upside. Yes, from smaller to biggest. So which number will come first? At the very first, 2. So we will write here 2. Then 8. Then 7. Then 1 to 12. That is smallest to biggest number. This is called ascending order. Now tell me which number will come among these. At the very first, which is the smallest one? 4. Then 9. Look at this arrow. Arrow is going upward direction. Yes. Then 1, 1, 11. Then 1, 6, 16. Okay, dear kids. Now tell me which number will come here. 3. Then 7. Sorry, 6. 3. Then 6. Then 7. Yes, dear kids, which number will... Yes, now tell me which number will come here, beta? That is 3. Then 6. Then after 7. Then 2, 0, 20. That is smallest to biggest. Okay. Now, which number will come here, beta? Come on, tell me. 1. Yes, which number will come here? 1. Then come on, tell me. Among these number, which number will come? That is 2. Then 5. Yes, then last number is 8. Smaller to bigger number. Okay, dear kids? Now, this last 2 is your homework, dear kids. Okay? Now, take out page number 3535, dear kids. That is descending order. Yes, I think you had understood this topic. We have to arrange this number from greatest to smallest. Among these number we will arrange greatest to smallest. Look at this arrow, dear kids. This arrow is going down. Okay, at the very first we have to write greatest number. Among this 1, 6, 16 is the greatest number. Then 1 to 12. Then come on, tell me which number is going to come. Yes, 7. After that 5. This is descending order. Okay, dear kids? Now tell me which number will come here. Greatest number. Among this number, which one is the greatest? That is 1, 8, 18. Then 1, 4, 14. Then among these two number, which is the greatest one? This one, 6. Then 5. So, greatest to smallest number. Greatest number to smallest number. That is descending order. Now, at the very first, come on, tell me which number will come among these number? That is 9. Greatest number is 9, then 8, then 3, then 2. Greatest to smallest number. That is descending order. Yes, now tell me which number will come among these? Greatest number 20. 2, 0, 20. Then 2, 0, 20. Then 1, 5, 15. Then 6. Then 3. This is decreasing order. Greatest to smallest number. Yes, page number 35 is also your homework. Okay. Yes, dear kids, along with ascending descending order, today we are going to learn number name also. Now tell me what is number name, as you all aware about number name. Yes, today we are going to write number name from 31 to 40. Yes, dear kids. Before that, I will write numbers 10 to 50. Okay? 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. T-E-N 10, T-W-E-N-T-Y 20, T-H-I-R-T-Y 30, F-O-R-T-Y 40, then F-I-F-T-Y 50. Before you learn the number names, you have to learn these number names very first beta, okay? So that it will be very easy to learn the number names. Okay, dear kids? Yes, now we will write number name from 31 to 40. Yes, for that you have to write 30, spelling of 30 first. T-H-I-R-T-Y 30. Okay, then 31. You have to write the spelling as it is. T-H-I-R-T-Y 30, then O-N-E, 1. You have to add along with 30 spelling, you have to add 1 spelling. Yes, so now it will be 31. Yes, dear kids. Now 32. T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30. T-W-O, 32. Then T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30. T-H-R-E-E, 33. Then 34. T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30. F-O-U-R, 34. Then T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30. F-I-V-E, 35. Then 36. T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30. S-I-X, 36. Now T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30. S-E-V-E-N, 37. Then 38. T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30. E-I-G-H-T, 38. Then 39. T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30. N-I-N-E, 39. Then 40. 40. F-O-R-T-Y, 40. It is very easy to learn, dear kids. Yes. First you have to write 30 spelling, then you have to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 9. Then after 39 you will write spelling of 40. Okay. I think you had understood how to write and read. Hope you had enjoyed. Okay. Then write this and send it to me. Bye bye. See you. Take care.